Welcome to Beautyistic, where beauty meets real-life testing. If you're like me, you know how frustrating it is to find a mascara and eyeliner that can truly keep up with your busy day, especially when you need something that stays put through sweat, humidity, and everything in between. Well, today I've got something that promises to do just that. Introducing the Wet n Wild Waterproof Mascara and 16-Hour Eyeliner Bundle. 2 products designed to give you bold, smudge-proof eyes that last all day long. Let's start with the mascara. First things first, this formula is not just waterproof, it's built to endure everything. Whether you're running errands in the heat, hitting the gym, or braving a long day at work, this mascara is supposed to keep your lashes looking lifted and defined, no matter what. The precision comb brush is a real standout here. It gives your lashes a perfect coating without clumping, delivering a longer, more voluminous look. And here's a nice touch. It's enriched with vitamin E to help soften and protect your lashes while giving you that bold, dramatic effect. Moving on to the eyeliner. This one is an absolute game changer. The eyeliner comes with a silky, smooth satin gel formula that glides on effortlessly. No tugging, no pulling. It promises 16-hour wear, and yes, I tested it all day, and it absolutely lives up to its claim. Whether you want a sharp wing or a more subtle line, this eyeliner can do it all. It's smudge-proof, flake-proof, and yes, cry-proof too. I put it to the test through a few emotional moments and came out the other side with flawless liner. Oh, and if you wear contact lenses like I do, you'll love that it's safe for sensitive eyes. Now, I've used these products for a couple of weeks, and here's what I noticed. The mascara definitely lives up to its waterproof claim. I love how lightweight it feels, which is surprising considering how long it lasts. I've worn it through sweat and humidity, and it hasn't budged. The eyeliner, on the other hand, is equally impressive. It glides on so smoothly, and once it's on, it stays put all day without needing any touch-ups. The formula really holds up to the 16-hour wear promise. As for the cons, there really aren't many, but I'd say the mascara's comb brush might take some getting used to if you're more accustomed to traditional wands. It's great for precision, but it can be a bit tricky to navigate at first. The eyeliner is also a little tricky to remove at the end of the day, but I would say that's more of a testament to how well it stays on, rather than a real downside. In terms of value for money, both of these products are incredibly affordable for the performance they deliver. You're getting 2 high-quality products that do exactly what they say without breaking the bank. And when it comes to longevity, I feel pretty confident that this duo will last me quite a while, especially with how little I need to use to get the results I want. If you're looking for a comparison, you could look at other waterproof mascaras and eyeliners in this price range, but these 2 stand out because of their performance and ease of use. Many similar products don't quite live up to the wear time, especially at this price. In terms of packaging, both products are lightweight and functional. The mascara's tube is easy to hold, and the comb brush is simple to work with once you get the hang of it. The eyeliner comes in a sleek pencil form that makes it easy to apply and carry around, and it doesn't take up much space in my bag, which is always a win. So, who's this product best for? If you're someone who needs long-lasting, no-fuss makeup that stays put through sweat, humidity, and everything else your day might throw at you, this bundle is a great choice. It's perfect for those who want bold, defined eyes without having to worry about constant touch-ups. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Now, before we wrap up, I want to take a moment to mention customer support. I've had a few interactions with Wet n Wild in the past, and I have to say they've been pretty responsive and easy to deal with. They're always there if you have a question or an issue, which makes a big difference when you're buying beauty products. And if you're looking for alternatives, there are certainly other waterproof mascaras and eyeliners out there, but if you're on a budget, this is a solid choice that doesn't compromise on quality. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.